Jammy Cruz is a Filipina content creator and entrepreneur. Known for her digital presence and creative lifestyle content, she has expanded her influence beyond social media into business. She is one of the co-owners of the Lula Club, an aesthetic lifestyle brand recognized for its trendy disposable cameras and curated lifestyle products. From celebrities who have turned to vlogging to connect to fans on a more personal level, to creatives who use vlogging as a means to get their artistic juices flowing, the local YouTube scene is brimming with content creators that are both relatable and inspiring for the younger crowds. One such YouTuber that have subscribe-worthy list is Jammy Cruz. You might have seen her popular mukbang videos and instantly felt influenced to order a fresh batch of sushi bake from a local business near you. Here are a few things to know about Jammy Cruz. Jammy has 100,000 subscribers on her channel. To be more accurate, she has around 107,000 subscribers on YouTube, and counting. Jammy loves to eat, so it's only natural for her channel to have mukbangs and other food-related videos. Catch her give her honest opinion on various food trends and latest store openings, like her taste test videos on sushi bake and upandazzle, among other things. Aside from food trips and travel vlogs, you can also expect casual day-in-the-life videos from Jammy to stay up to date with the happenings in her life. If food and travel are not necessarily your thing, you'll also see videos about other things on her channel, like fashion and beauty. Jammy is a full-time content creator on YouTube, but what many may not know is that she is also a certified public accountant CPA. Admittedly, Jammy shared that she didn't have the best attention span and had times when she didn't attend classes, but she also shared some tips for aspiring CPAs. Jammy has two older sisters, Fav and Yeza. You'll see them occasionally making an appearance in her vlogs. Jammy and her sisters are pretty close with one another, and it's always a treat to see their adorable and relatable interactions in Jammy's videos, and it was her 8th Fav who came up with the beloved food trip series Merienda Time. Jammy's sister describes her as an introvert. Jammy is usually a lively person on her vlogs, and even though she's a happy person in general, she also has tendencies wherein she's more reserved. Jammy shares that when she's in her elements, she's usually bubbly and lively. But when it comes to the more serious stuff like work, Jammy will have her game face on and stay focused to get the job done. Jammy shared that she is a morning person while her sister, on the other hand, isn't. Even if she just woke up, Jammy says she's already in a generally happy disposition. Avid subscribers of Jammy would know that she is close friends with fellow content creators Ray Germer, Ree Velasco, and Hazel Quing. They even have an inside joke where they consider themselves the sisters in For Sisters and a Wedding. Watching them all together making jokes and laughing with each other can make you miss your own barcada, and fans of the four will agree that their friendship is really admirable. They are also been working on a secret project called the Lula Club, which is a business venture they all started together. Recently, content creator Jammy Cruz was involved in the trending controversy surrounding flood control projects, as her family's company allegedly has secured several flood control projects with the Department of Public Works and Highways (DPWH). According to reports, Jammy's father, Noel Cruz, is the general manager of Cristo Construction and Trading Inc., headquartered in Limay, Bataan, was awarded at least 3.5 billion Philippine pesos worth of flood control projects from 2020 to 2024. An extra-large amount that quickly became the subject of scrutiny that triggered huge criticism online after a video surfaced showing her flaunting a luxury Chanel bag, with social media users linking the luxury items to her family's government contracts. Faced with gigantic backlash, Jammy deactivated her YouTube channel and set her Instagram account to private, attempting to minimize the massive controversy surrounding her. The controversy quickly spread on social media, with netizens expressing their thoughts on Jammy's lifestyle as a content creator, particularly her regular display of luxury designer items. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.